I'll have to go skydiving or something and wear this and see how it wears through the day. I could really screw this up. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here, mostly makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish, we have the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. If you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. We are doing a really quick product review today. This is the IMethod Beauty waterproof, smudge-proof, long-lasting eyeliner stamp pen. A winged eyeliner stamp for perfect wings. They reached out to me. They said, hey, if we send you this, will you possibly review it? And I was like, possibly. And then I thought about it and I was like, well, I might as well. I've seen a couple people use it and I'm just kind of interested. And I was thinking this might be something fun to kind of sit down and share with you guys, because maybe it's good, maybe it's crap. I don't know. It could go either way. So it comes like this. I do not have a price, so I will try and find one and link it down below. If they sent me a link, I will also have that link down below. It's on the back, it says, "Hi beautiful. Thanks a million for purchasing IMethod eyeliner stamp. We hope you are completely satisfied with your new IMethod eyeliner stamp. 100% satisfaction's guaranteed. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us directly, or you will get a replacement or a refund easily. You don't need to return it, just contact us directly." Okay, cool. That's all right. Comes with two. One for the left, one for the right. Comes with a little pamphlet explaining how to use it. So this says 3 easy steps for perfect and long-lasting wings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to line it up. So this is the right wing. The liner looks like this. And the wing looks like this. So I'll just stamp it on the back of my hand. Not terrible. All right, well, this could go either way. I could really screw this up, or I could not screw this up. Let's see what happens. So let's get a mirror. Okay. What do you think? Now we're going to go in. We're going to just tidy it up. All right. That worked really easily. Let's see if I can do the same thing on the other side. Convenience-wise, this eyeliner worked pretty well. I just kind of went in and like evened it out. I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I just want to make sure I kind of get it on the same angle. This one's a little low. I could have gone a little higher with that. See if I can fix it up using the liner. The only thing is, like, so I feel like I put that one out a little too far. I should have gone in, but I don't think you can tell. All right. Honestly, I think I like these. Actually, I'm pretty impressed with this. Like, that's like not terrible. Let's just pop on a little bit of mascara and we're going to talk about it, because As far as convenience wise, that wasn't hard to use. I wonder over time, I'm a little bit curious to see how long it lasts before it starts to dry out. The liner though, not the stamp. The liner is very like, it's a wet formula, so it's very easy to use. There was no pulling. This one worked. This one's like perfect, almost. I'm just using my Marc Jacobs At Lashed Beauty mascara, or yeah. Looking at them straight on though, it looks pretty even. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm interested to see how it wears, so I will have to keep you posted. This is the 10mm one, so I do believe there are different sizes. They also had like eyebrow stamp kits, which is actually what I thought they were sending me. I was surprised when I saw this. This is cooler. I'm so glad that I got to try this. So pretty neat. Honestly, I'm not telling you to buy this. I'm not telling you not to buy this. I just wanted you to see it. If you think it's crap, then please tell me if you know something about this. But honestly, pretty good. I'm really excited to see how smudge proof, how waterproof, and how long lasting. Perhaps I will have to wear this. I'll have to go skydiving or something and wear this and see how it wears through the day. Let me know if you want to see that. I do have some really fun video ideas for this summer, so I'm super excited. Thank you all so much for your continued support, and let me know what you thought of today's video. I am so excited we got to sit down and try this together, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.